Om Shri Sai Ram. In the previous class, we have started exercise 9.6 and we have done one problem. Let us continue that exercise. Second example here, 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12 and 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12, where x and y are positive. Here, we're going to solve this inequalities, simultaneous inequalities, or we can say system of inequalities by graphical method. So, let us write this inequality as 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, okay, and another one is 4x plus 3y is equal to 12, okay. So, now let us draw these two represents the lines and let us represent these lines in xy plane. For that, I am going to do inspection method, that is I will put x and y. Now what you can do is put x equal to 0 here, you will have 4y is equal to 12, okay. 4y is equal to 12, so you just simplify 4 1s are 4 3s are, so y will be 3. Similarly, put y is equal to 0 and if x equal to 0, if y equal to 0 because y is equal to 0 means you will have 3x is equal to 12, okay. So 3 1s are 3 4s are, so here x is equal to 4. The same you can do for this line as well. X, y, put x equal to 0 here. If x equal to 0 means 3y is equal to 12, 3 1s are 3 4s are, y become 4 and similarly you put x, y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0 becomes what? 4x is equal to 12, 4 1s are 4 3s are. So these are the points we have, that is 0 comma 3 and 4 comma 0, 0 comma 4 and 3 comma 0 we have. So let us represent these points in two-dimensional plane, that is a Cartesian plane xy. This is y-axis, x-axis, x dash, origin and y dash, okay. So now scale you may take one y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit you may take. So now I am going to take x-axis as 1 unit, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Similarly, we have to do for y-axis as well, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us represent this, that is 4 and 3, x is 4, y is 3, okay. So let us join this. So what is this? Okay, this is exactly this point. This line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Another line is there, that is x is 3, y is 4. Okay, y is 4 and x is 3. So join this. This is this line we call what is that? 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay. Now let us find the common region, the solution region, which is common to these two lines. That we can find. See, now I'm going to take arbitrary point. Arbitrary point, preferably the origin. Okay. So now if I put 0 here in the given inequality, that becomes 0 is less than or equal to 12. Is it true? Yes, that is true. Then the region will be, the region is it the region will be towards what? Origin. So this is the line, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So the solution of this inequality lies towards the origin. Okay. So now another one is there, that is 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. Here also I am going to take 0 comma 0 as arbitrary point, then it becomes 0 is less than or equal to 12. For this line also, see, this is the solution region. So this also included, but the common region between these two lines is this. Okay, here since here they have given x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, so we should not take x and y as negative values. So this is a solution region which is common to the given inequalities. See, whatever the points, okay, you can take any arbitrary points within this region, so those points satisfies the given inequality. That's how we can find the solution to the given inequalities. So let us take one more problem. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 8 and 2x plus y is also less than or equal to 8. So for this, and x comma y which is greater than or equal to 0, that is positive. For this I am going to take the table here, x, y. You put x equal to 0 here. If you put x equal to 0, it becomes 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. See, in the first way, I am going to take this as x plus 2y is equal to 8. And another one also I am going to take as 2x plus y is equal to 8. In that way, we have to take. So now 2y is equal to 8, then y is equal to what? 4. In similar way, put x equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, then it becomes what? X is equal to 8. So the value of x will be 8. Similarly, another one, I am going to take that as 2x plus y is equal to 8. I am going to take. For this, I have to draw a graph. X, y, put x equal to 0, y is equal to 8, and put y is equal to 0, x will be what? 4, right? So let us represent this in xy plane, x axis, y axis, origin. Scale you may take here, x axis and y axis, both you may take similar, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly on y axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let us, here x is 8 and y is 4. So then you join this. What is this line is? X plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay. Similarly, y is 8 and x is 4. So join this too. So this line is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Now let us find the common region between these two lines. So to find that, I am going to take arbitrary point, that is preferably origin, in both inequalities. So if you take 0 for the first inequality, it will be 0 is less than or equal to 8. Is it true? Yes. If it is true, then the region towards origin, the solution for this line will be towards origin. Okay. And another inequality which is 2x plus y is less than or equal to 8. If you put x as 0 and y as 0 in that inequality, you may get this. So for this also, which is towards the origin, then what is the region which is common to both the given inequalities is, this is the region which is common to the both the lines, both the inequalities. Okay, so this is how we can find the solution of this inequality. Let us take one more. Yeah, here how many inequalities are here? So there are 4. So we must have 4 lines in xy plane. So for the first one, I am going to take this one. I will write as 2x plus 3y is equal to 3, and now let us find points for this x, y. If x is 0 here, okay, what will be y? So 3y is equal to 3, so it will be 1. Similarly, put y is equal to 0, okay, so what will be x? That is 2x is equal to 3. This implies x is equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. So x is 1.5. Okay. Similarly, you take this inequality, that is 3x plus 4y. I will equal that to 18. So same way you can do it here, that is put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, put x equal to 0. So if x equal to 0, you have 4y is equal to 18. 4y is equal to 18. So y is equal to 18 by 4. 2 2s are 2 9s are 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is 4.5. Next, put x equal to put y is equal to 0. You may have 3x is equal to 18. So 3 1s are 3 6 are. So x is equal to 6. Okay. So then next inequality is 7x minus 4y plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay. For this also you may do the same as put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Find the values, right? So now I am going to take x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, it become minus 4y plus 14 is equal to 0, or 4y is equal to 14. So y is equal to 14 by 4. So 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 by 2, which is 3.5. So x will be 3 point, y will be 3.5. Put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, it become 7x plus 14 is equal to 0. So then 7x is equal to minus 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are, the value will be minus 2 when y is equal to 0. And here the last one is x minus 6y is equal to 3. Same way you can do it and find the ordinate. So x, y, when x equal to 0, what is y will be? Y will be minus 6, y is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3 by 6. So which is 0.5 minus 0.5. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 2s are, minus 1 by 2 is minus 0.5, you may write. And y is equal to 0, then x will be equal to what? 3. So x is 3. See, these are the points we have, and we have to represent these points in the xy plane, and then we can find the common region between all of these inequalities. For the given inequalities, we have points. Now let us represent these points in xy plane. X-axis, y-axis, origin. So now here you may see what is the maximum value for x? 6, and the minimum value for x? 0. 0, no, minus 2. Now similarly maximum value for y is 4.5, and minimum value for y is minus 0.5. So let us take a scale. You may take as x-axis 1 unit 1 centimeter, or 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 units, you may take like that, or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, you may take like that also. And y-axis also same way, you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so here maximum value for x is 6, no, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minimum value for x is minus 2, that is minus 1, minus 2. And here y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And on negative y-axis you may take minus 1. So this will be minus 0.5. Correct? No, of minus 1. So now first one is x is 1.5. So here is 1.5 and y is 1. Y is 1. So let us draw this. What is this line? 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Next is x is 6, y is 4.5. This is 4.5. So let us join that. So this line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 18. Similarly, next is minus 2 comma 3.5. This is minus 2, x is, and y is 3.5. So let us join these 2 points. So this is 7x minus 4y plus 14 is equal to 0. Last one is 3, x is 3 and y is 0.5. So join these 2 points. So this is x minus 6y is equal to 3. So now let us find the common region between these 4 lines. So for the first one, you may see the first inequality here, 2x plus 3y, which is less than or equal to, which is greater than or equal to 3. Now if you put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you may have 0 which is greater than or equal to 3, which is false. Therefore, so for which one? For this one, which is away from the origin, okay? The region which is away from the origin, because which is false regarding with the reference of arbitrary point as origin, you may get the false statement. So if you get false statement, then the region will be away from the origin. So next second one is what? 3x plus 4y, which is less than or equal to 18. If you put 0 comma 0 for x and y, so 0 which is less than or equal to 18, then it is true. Therefore its region will be towards the origin. Okay, towards the origin. Okay, next is 7x minus 4y plus 14 is greater than or equal to 0. If you put 0 for x and 0 for y, and this will be true, right? Is a 14 which is greater than or equal to 0, which is true. And if it is true, then for this inequality, the solution will be towards the origin. Okay. Next, last one is x minus 6y, which is less than or equal to 3. If you put 0 is also true, then for this line also, which is towards the origin, it's towards the origin. So now you tell me what is the common region between all of these 4 lines. Is this is the common region, which is all points in this region which satisfies all the given inequalities. Therefore, the solution region must be this. Okay, so this is the solution for the given inequalities. Here the problem is x plus y is greater than or equal to 9 and 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 12 and x and y here positive. See, for this inequality I am going to take x plus y is equal to 9 and this one I am going to take 3x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, see this one x y you may take, put x equal to 0, y will be 9, put y is equal to 0, x will be 9, and similarly here x y, put x equal to 0, if x equal to 0 y will be 12 and put y is equal to 0 x will be 3 ones are 3 fours are. Okay, here maximum value for x is 9 and maximum value for y is 12 and minimum values are 0. So now let us draw a graph for this. X dash, y dash, origin, and a scale you may take, scale is x axis and y axis both 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units you may take. Okay, so then it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, y axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so now let us represent this 2 points 9 comma 9. 9 is somewhere here, right? So 9 is here. So then join these 2 points. This line is x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, and another one is 4 comma 12. This is 4 and this is 12. Let us join these 2 points. So this is 3x plus y is equal to 12. Now let us find the common region between these 2 lines. That is, if I take 0 as the arbitrary 0 comma 0 as the arbitrary point in the above inequality, in this inequality it will be 0 is greater than or equal to 9, which is false. Therefore its solution region will be away from the origin, that is this one, which is away from the origin. So away from the origin. Okay, so now for the next one, for this inequality, so if I take 0 comma 0 as the arbitrary point, if I put 3 into 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 12 and everything becomes 0 on this side, and it cannot be 0 is greater than or equal to 12 and therefore this is also false. Hence we can say the solution of this line also which is away from the origin, like this. See, what is a common region between these 2 lines is, this is the region. Okay, this is a region which is common to both the lines. Okay, next example. Yeah, x plus y is greater than or equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. See, this line I am going to write x plus y is equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, both x and y are positive here. So then I can make x equal to 0, y will be 1 and y will be 0, x will be 1. And here also the same you do it. X is 0. If x is 0, 3y is equal to 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are. And here y is 0 and 2x is equal to 6, it will be 3. Now let us draw a graph for this x dash, y dash, origin. Scale, you may take one unit is equal to 1 centimeter on x-axis and y-axis as well. The scale is scale x-axis, y-axis, for both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You may take that. So then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See, the first one is 1 comma 1. This is x plus y is equal to 1. And another one is 3 comma 2. That is 3 and 2. Y is 2 and x will be 3. Join these two lines. This is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now let us put y is 0 here. 0, it will be 0 is greater than or equal to 1, which is a false one. Therefore, the region for the first inequality, which is away from the origin. Okay, and here another inequality, if you take x is 0 and y is 0 in another inequality, it will become 0 is less than or equal to 6. Okay, so then it will be, then the solution region of this inequality will be towards the origin. The common region between these two lines is this one. This is the solution region for both the axes. So therefore we can say any point within this region, you can take any value for x and any value for y within this region, and those 2 points satisfies the given inequality. That's how we can find the solution for the given inequality by graphical method. And this completes the exercise 9.6. In the next class, we're going to do the terminal exercise. Till many problems are there in textbooks, so kindly practice for those problems, so it will be help you to understand better, and you may not confuse. So till then, thank you, Sarah.